Namaste. Today we are going to make a bouquet, a mini bouquet for the doll, which converts into a coaster. It's a beginner friendly tutorial, very easy to make. So we need any 3 colored yarn. You can create a combination of the flower color you like. I'm using here 0.9 mm crochet hook because I'm using embroidery thread. We'll start with making a magic ring and continue with 2 chain. We have to make 12 double crochet in the loop. Remember, the loose end will be used to pull out the excess yarn and make the base firmer. So carefully make 12 double crochet in the loop. Remember to keep counting the number of loops in the magic ring. Finish the circle with a slip stitch at the end and pull out the loose end. So we have a complete circle. To start the second row, we'll make 2 chain stitches and we'll start making double crochets. Each loop will have 1 increase double crochet to get a flat circle. So we had 12 double crochets loop. Now with each increase it will become 24 loops. We'll finish row 2 with a slip stitch. For the third row, we are going to make 2 chains. We have to increase in the alternative loops. In the first loop, it will be 1 double crochet, and the second loop will have an increase with 2 double crochet in the same loop. And third will be 1 double crochet. Fourth will have increase of 2 double crochets in 1 loop. So we'll get 36 loops in total by the end of the third row. and we'll end it with a slip stitch. For the fourth row, we'll have one increase after every 2 single double crochets. So first loop will have 1 double crochet, second loop will have again 1 double crochet, and third loop will have an increase with 2 double crochet in 1 loop. Likewise, 4th, 5th will have 1 single double crochet, and 6th will have an increase with 2 double crochet in single loop. And we'll end the circle with a slip stitch. We'll change color for row 5. To change the color for the 5th row, lock the yarn, cut the loose end, insert a new color in the beginning of the loop. We'll start with 4 chain, plus 1 double crochet in the same loop. So in the same loop, we'll make 1 double crochet. And then we have to skip 1 loop and work on the next one after that. We have to make 1 double crochet in the next of the skipped loop. We'll continue in the double crochet with a single chain, and we'll make 1 double crochet in the same loop. So we have 1 skipped loop and 2 double crochet in the same loop with 1 chain between of them, so it makes a triangle shape. Likewise, we skip 1 loop next to the loop we worked, and on to the next one we make 1 double crochet, continue with a chain, and then 1 double crochet in the same loop. We'll end the circle with a slip stitch. We now have this zigzag pattern. We'll move on to the next color. So lock this yarn and cut off the end. We'll start working 2 loops before the end of the previous row, where the V is broader on top. We won't be working on the narrow ones. So we'll take the new color, we'll make 2 chain with the new color and 5 half double crochet in the same loop. So we won't be finishing double crochets here, and remember to keep the loop of the same length to make it look more pretty. So we had first loop on the hook, and with 5 half double crochet we'll have 6 loops total on the crochet hook. When we get the 6 loops, the last double crochet will finish it, pulling the yarn out from all 6 loops. We'll continue with 2 chain and we'll make a slip stitch in the same loop. We have a petal ready. We have to repeat this process for all of the triangles. So first we make a slip stitch. We'll continue with 2 chain and 5 half double crochet, making 6 loops of total on the hook. Then we finish the last double crochet, pulling the yarn out from all 6 of the loops. We continue it with 2 chain and a slip stitch in the same loop. It's okay to pause and rewind to understand the process clearly. We finish it with a slip stitch in the first loop where we started the petals. Flip all the petals so it looks finished on the front side. hide the extra yarn and use scissors to cut the extras. We have our coaster ready. Roll it to make a cute mini bouquet and display it in a pot. Thank you for watching my video. Do like and subscribe and share it with your friends. Check out my other videos and stay tuned.